Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make like a banana and split. We're going to separate full names into first and last names in Google Sheets. I'll show you 3 different ways to do it, including one super quick built-in tool. And if we're using formulas, I'll include them down in the description so you can copy and paste them. Let's jump in. Method 1. Using the split function. Let's say we have full names in column A. For example, in cell A2 we have Sarah Johnson. In cell B2, use this formula. I'll include it in the description below. What this does? It takes the text in A2, uses a space as the delimiter. That's why there's a space inside the quotes. Splits the name into separate columns. Now copy and paste that formula down. Each full name will separate into first name, last name. Simple and effective. Method 2. Using array formula, automatic version. Instead of copying the formula down manually, we can automate it. Use this formula in B2, and I'll include this in the description as well. What changed? Instead of referencing just A2, we're referencing a 2 to A. That tells Google Sheets to apply the split function to the entire column. Now the names automatically split without dragging the formula down. If you want to keep the separated names as static text instead of formulas, select the results. Press Command plus C. Then press Shift plus Command plus V. That pastes values only, removing the formulas. Very helpful if you don't want dynamic formulas in your sheet. Method 3. Split text to columns. No formula needed. Here's a really cool built-in way. Select the column with all your full names. Go to Data, Split Text to Columns. At the bottom of your sheet, you'll see a little separator menu. You can either let Google detect automatically, or choose space as the separator. And just like that, your names are separated. No formulas. No extra columns from array formula. No errors. It's clean and very fast. Hopefully that was super helpful and you learned something new. You're watching Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video next, and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks and how-tos so you can get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I've got a ton more coming for you. Drop your questions in the comments. I might answer them in a future video. And one of these videos on your screen right now might just be your next Google Sheets breakthrough.